Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to study some extracts from moments. Here is the first one. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. This extract is from the chapter The Lost Child. Now the questions. Who are he and they in above extract? He is a little child and they refers to his parents. Next is, what is the desire of his heart? The desire of his heart is to buy the toy he has seen. Which word in the extract means the same as hold back? The word is suppress. To suppress something. Or you can say suppress means to curb something. Explain cold stare. The cold stare of, what does it indicate? It is indicative of parents' denial, parents' refusal for giving the things that the child wanted. Next is, the child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout, please, father, mother. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. Who are them? Are the men, women and children riding on the roundabout. Why was there no reply? There was no reply because the parents were not nearby. The child had been separated from them. Find a word in the extract which is a synonym of keenly, intently. There was no reply. Why? Because the child was separated from his parents. This question has been repeated here. Next is, a man in the surging crowd heard his cry and stooping with great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. Who is him in the above extract? Him is a lost child. Where was the surging crowd? The surging crowd was near the entrance to the temple. Find a word in the extract which is a synonym of bending. Bending means, what is the word for bending here is stooping. Next, what does surging mean in the extract? It means to move quickly and powerfully. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. Who is the disconsolate charge in the above extract? And the disconsolate charge is a lost child in this extract. What did the man want to achieve by offering sweets to the disconsolate charge? Disconsolate here means the one who cannot be consoled. The boy here wants his parents only. He was not been satisfied with anything else except his parents. The man wanted to divert the child from his sorrow of being separated from his parents by offering him sweets. Which word in the extract is a synonym of laughter? Humor. What does disconsolate means? It means extreme sadness and disappointed. Now here are some extracts from the next chapter, The Adventures of Toto. He could use it to hang from a branch and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Who is he? Obviously it is the monkey Toto in the above extract. What is referred to as it in this extract? It refers to monkey's tail, which served as a third hand. Which word in the extract means the same as picking, scooping? It was capable of dash. What does capable mean? Capable has a meaning that he was able to do the act soundly. Next is, given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. Who is speaking these words to whom in the above extract? The grandfather of the author is speaking to the author. Who is referred to as he in this extract? The person refers to as he is Toto, a monkey. Find a word from the extract which means the same as school uniform, jacket or coat. You know, it's very simple, blazer. What does it reflect? Given time, from the window. The line extracts that Toto was so intelligent that with the passage of time he would have made a lot of innovative ways to amuse the persons.